A Busy Day for Birds, written and illustrated by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and ye can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, hop, hop. Pick, pick, pick. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say, cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, hum, hum. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and wiggle your bum. Now sit in your nest and cuddle with Mum. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day with cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good-night. Tweet-a-woo, ooh, 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 ooh.